What's up, y'all? This is the mirror that I am transforming into this French gold mirror. I use this mirror for my clients so that they can look at their outfits. I ended up using the Rust-Oleum metallic gold paint, and I also got this paint in bronze as well, but it's not pictured. I then also used the Gator sandpaper 6080 grit, and then I used E6000 glue as well. What I did was I took the sandpaper and I went ahead and I removed the top few layers of paint and dirt and gunk and all that stuff off of my mirror. I purchased my appliques from Amazon and they will be linked below. My biggest applique that I got, it was actually broken. It arrived broken, and I don't feel like they did anything to package it to prevent it from being broken. So I'm sure like other people may receive a broken applique, so just beware. I just glued it back together with E6000 glue. You want to file it with the sandpaper and then glue it together. That way it'll stay adhered. So here I am just taking off that first top layer of paint that's on the mirror, because I've had this mirror for so long and I have like a few layers of old paint. I didn't want to remove all the paint because I still wanted to keep that vintage feel, but I did want to remove enough so that it didn't look real cakey and real gunky. So another tip, make sure you remove all of that sawdust before you start spray painting, because once you start spray painting with that sawdust on there, the paint will be stuck to the mirror and then you'll be in the same position as me. So here I am spray painting it with bronze first. I went over it with the bronze first, and then I went on top of it with the gold paint. Before you glue down your appliques, make sure you file it with the sandpaper. Even though you just painted it, make sure you're filing it with the sandpaper and then gluing it on top, because that will help it adhere and stick a little better. You are gonna have to be generous with the E6000, but before you glue, I would suggest that you just place them on there to see where you want them to be at before you actually glue. I also spray painted my garment rack as well. And here I am just racing the sun because the sun is about to set. So I'm just gonna speed through this and attach my appliques to the mirror with the E6000. And it dried real fast in this Texas heat, so it didn't really take long at all. So here it is the next day. I'm removing the tape from my mirror. And like I was telling y'all, that sawdust was still on my mirror and the spray paint mixed in with the sawdust, so the paint became stuck to the mirror. But I just used some nail polish remover and I wiped the mirror down with the nail polish remover, and that's what really helped me remove all of that old paint or spray paint that was on my mirror. OMG, y'all, my baby is so cute. Look at her trying to show y'all the Windex. Look at her. That is so cute. I didn't realize that until now that I'm editing it. She was trying to show y'all the Windex the same way I was trying to show y'all the nail polish remover. I am so tickled. But here I am trying to tell her how to spray the Windex onto the mirror. You know, you gotta teach them when they're young, child. You gotta teach them when they're young. So I'm trying to guide her on how to spray this Windex onto the mirror so I can clean it. And child, she started spraying me. I had to take the bottle now because she was doing too much. She was missing the mirror. She started spraying it on me, and I didn't have patience. But I ended up cleaning the mirror, giving it a good spit shine. That way I can get this show on the road. You know, I got stuff to do. So after cleaning the mirror, that's it, you're done. It's that simple, it's that easy. I really love the way it looked in my sewing room, and I loved the way the garment rack turned out too. If you want to see how my garment rack turned out, keep watching. I got the gold hangers from Amazon as well. I will also link that below in the bottom. And thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. It means so much to me that you guys are really actually watching and engaged. I appreciate y'all so much for that. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.